So I've been using the Runna app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the Runna app. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of the Runna app. One of the standout features is its adaptive training plans, which evolve as you progress. This helps you ensure that you're pushing yourself enough to improve without risking injury. The app doesn't just focus on running either. It includes strength training exercises to complement your runs, with sessions tailored to the equipment you have at home, making it accessible to everyone. Whether you're lifting weights or just using resistance bands, Runna integrates it seamlessly into your weekly routine, which is a bonus for injury prevention. Additionally, for a personalized touch, each week you receive messages from your virtual coach offering guidance on everything from technique to mobility. Plus, the pacing tools are a favorite feature for many, giving real-time audio prompts during runs to help maintain your pace, which is almost like having a coach in your ear. This is especially useful for interval training and negative split runs, where the second half is faster than the first, designed to build stamina over time. But let's be real, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. There are some cons to consider. For instance, some users have noted that the app's syncing capabilities could be better, especially for smartwatch integration. Although it does sync well with popular apps like Strava and devices like Garmin and Apple Watches. Fitbit integration is still in the works, which might be a downside for those who rely heavily on that ecosystem. As for pricing, the app costs around £15.99 per month or £99.99 annually, which is pretty reasonable considering the personalized coaching, strength training, and community support features it provides. Plus, there's a 2-week free trial to test it out before committing. Overall, the Runna app is a great tool for runners looking to follow a structured plan, improve performance, and stay injury-free. It's well-designed, easy to use, and packed with features that will appeal to both casual joggers and serious runners alike. However, if you're someone who heavily relies on smartwatch syncing or prefers more flexibility with plan changes, this might be a slight drawback. But as always, do consider speaking with an expert before making any decisions. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on this heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.